Hi friends, welcome to Linux Work. My name is Chandan and today we are going to learn how we can enable ping request to a Azure VM. Okay, so first of all let's understand why we need ping request. Okay, so basically a ping request is called ICMP protocol. Okay, right, based on the ICMP protocol. So why we required ICMP protocol? So suppose you are going to deploy a monitoring tool called most famous monitoring tool in open source, Nagios, right? So you are trying to deploy your Nagios monitoring tool on Azure. Okay, and in this condition, when you are going to deploy your Nagios monitoring tool, that time the data, whatever the is your VM is up, is any alert system you are going to configure, in that condition the ping request is the must required things. Okay, and also by default on Azure cloud you can't ping your public IP. Okay, so if you want to ping your public IP on Azure cloud, you should enable ICMP protocol, otherwise it will not ping. For checking the connectivity, there is other ways also, like PS ping tool is there, utility. We can use that tool or utility, we can check the connection, but for checking the ping requests we need to enable this first, then we can check it, otherwise it will not ping. So let's start the activity. Okay, so I already have one VM called VM test -lab. Okay, so this VM is already running. Okay, suppose just I'm copying this public IP, open CMD, I'm just trying to ping this IP. Okay, so as we can see it is not going to ping, right? Request timeout. Okay, so how we can enable it? So currently one thing remember, currently this VM does not have any load balancer. It is normal VM, it is not, there is no load balancer inside this. Okay, if you have load balancer, then the way is totally different and scenario also goes totally different. Okay, so in next class I will show you how we can check the connection for a VM which have load balancer. Okay, in this class we are going to enable the ping request on Linux VM. Okay, currently I am using 18.04 Ubuntu. Okay, currently I am going with Linux. So in this video I am going to explain only Linux. In next video I will explain how we can enable these things on Windows. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we already have one VM, right? If you don't know how to create a VM, you can go to my channel and see that how we can create a VM on Azure cloud. Okay, so just go to networking, in sidebar just click on networking, add inbound port rule, give here a star, destination port I am giving a star. Here one thing you remember, source any IP also should be, you can specify, or any network. Currently I am going to put any connection. You can put, if you are going to specify a IP, or you are going to ping your network from a particular IP, you can put that. I am going to put as any, destination is also any, port is also a star. Just here put this ICMP, allow. Okay, give name ICMP. Okay, save it, add it. Just wait for a minute. it is in under process. So as we can see, created role as security role. Okay, so our security role has been completed. Okay, as we can see here, ICMP, right? Now just go to that. I already have IP, so just go here and ping again, and as we can see, the ping request is going successfully, right? Yeah, so now the ping request, it's going. Now ping request is working fine on this VM. Okay, so in next video I will show you how to enable these things on Windows machine. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will create like this video continuously. Thank you.